Are you a parent of class 10, 11 or 12 student? Do you enjoy being his or her role model? Do you take conscious efforts to help your child make independent choices? Do you trust your child's decision making? As a student of class 10, 11 and 12, have you taken a moment to consider the future you would like to have? Do you want your career to be decided by course selection and availability, or prefer to have the career choices in order to select your course of study? Have you got doubts about when is the right time to start preparing for life, discovering your passion and making a career choice out of it? Fantastic! This video has reached you at the right time indeed. Scots Hunt and Overleaf are proud to present the High Potential Career Planning Workshop Series exclusively for students of class 10, 11 and 12, where you can start to explore your career path in India and overseas. Through this 25+ hour workshop program, split into 12 sessions, students will develop an independent research mindset to plan their careers and take control of their futures. This program is ideal for students who are currently pursuing 11 or 12 standard and are not yet sure of their preferred career domain or precise field of study. For those who are in 11th and 12th standards and have decided on their career path but wish to optimize their entry point and academic advantage. For those students who are currently in their 10th standard and wish to have a head start to plan their careers. For those interested in exploring overseas education and different pathways of study available in undergraduate studies. Workshop 1 will be a 2-hour session about the mindset for career decisions. This webinar will focus on how to plan your career, how to chart the course of your career, and how to introspect on your choices and talk to the right people about them. It also helps to touch upon the differences between student and work life. Students will soon realize that learning is a lifelong journey and develop the interdisciplinary knowledge required to succeed in work life. Workshop 2 is a 2-hour session on personality, passion, and independent thinking. This webinar will focus on aspects such as reflecting on the broad career options based on webinar 1 and connecting it to one's personality. As a student, you will be able to get more insights into connecting personal passion and figure out what makes you happy, and also the importance of the harmony between the heart and the mind. Webinar 2 will then give you a general overview on multiple areas of study, thus laying the foundation for what is to come in the remaining webinars. The remaining webinars shall then focus on the areas that students have aspirations for. During these workshops, we will focus on topics related to engineering, science, entrepreneurship, social sciences, arts and humanities. Workshop 7 is the finale. In this webinar, we bring together the learnings that students have had over the last few weeks to ensure that they are on the right path for decision making. The framework for research and decision making will be re-emphasized to students. The cost for 7 workshops on career planning is only 5,000 rupees. Not only that, upon completion, students gain complimentary access to 5 free webinars by reputed UK universities on undergraduate study options. We will also offer personalized one-on-one career counseling by a career coach appointed by ScotsGrad for those intending to pursue undergraduate study in the UK. If after attending your first 2 webinars, you choose not to be part of the program, we will return your money in full with no justification needed. Kudos on being a superstar parent. Get in touch with ScotsGrad at niti@scotsgrad.com.